Hi there! Today I will be preparing some soap. For that reason I will be using some melt and pour crystal soap base. This one is from Stevenson and I really like this company because they don't use any nasty ingredients, and this is exactly why I create my homemade soap. I will be then using shea butter and some castor oil. Then I will be using some essential oils from Tisserand. This is grapefruit. And for color, because I don't want my bars to be white as the base is white, I will add some mica. I have some pink one. Sometimes I also add some turmeric or some paprika to just experiment with the color. In terms of equipment, I will use some silicone molds. I will weigh my ingredients using a simple kitchen scale, and finally we need the pan and the boiler to melt the base and the butter and add the rest of ingredients. The recipe is very simple and is actually for 3 bars, so if you want to do 6 at one go, just simply double the ingredients. I hope you will enjoy it.
So